Welcome to MediCap's PDS Express. In today's class, we'll be seeing this question. So this question was asked in the year 2024, and in 2024, two questions related to National Pathfinder Survey was asked. So I am just telling you that this is high yield topic. Now in that also the correct answer was same, and in this also the correct answer is same. So I don't know whether exactly two questions were asked or only one question was asked. So let's see this question also. Question is, which of the following is correct for National Pathfinder Survey? Options given were: it uses a stratified sampling method, it examines patients between 20 to 25 years of age, it is a type of descriptive survey, it uses open-ended questionnaires.
Hello everyone. So are you a NEET MDS aspirant and you are struggling to find all previous year authentic question? What if I tell you that you will get everything in just one book? My book is out on Amazon and Flipkart. Just check the video for description. It contains all the solutions along with the reason to rule out for your convenience. Get your hands on it today itself and take a significant step towards your success.
Now the correct answer is that it uses stratified sampling method for the collection of data and on the dental health status of a population, and the other will rule out. So basically it can choose any age, and specifically it you can say you can choose the elder age group because the diseases and all those things would be common in the elder age group as compared to younger age group. It is a type of descriptive survey. No, it is not a type of descriptive survey. As far as the questionnaires they are concerned, it uses the structured questionnaires and you can say proper formatted questionnaires. Open-ended questions you can put, but they are rare to put, you can say open-ended questionnaires. Now, collection of the data, so stratified random sampling. In other question also we have discussed the same thing. Say for example, if I am residing in Delhi and if I want to conduct a study in Delhi, so that whole population of Delhi or whatever the region I would be taking, that is the complete population. Now I'll be putting my you can say whatever characteristic I want to see, whatever strata I want to put. So filtering that, I'll be getting this strata. Now I'll be randomly picking the sample. So this is my sample size. This is how the selection goes in the National Pathfinder Survey. So coming back to the question, the correct answer is it uses the stratified sampling method. Thank you.